Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich on the game PKXD. So what I mean by this is unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn it up all the way, guys. And as you can see, it says gems have been activated. So let's see if our gems go up. So hopefully this works, guys, but I can't say for certain what will happen. But let's see if it increases. So as you can see, guys, this is what we got right now. So hopefully it does start going up. And then I'm going to show you guys how to do this for your device. And as you can see, guys, there we go. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to get rich on PKXD. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So let's get into the guide. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our browser and we're just going to type in this website. So it's tweakmod.com. So this is the website, guys. So once you're on the site, you're going to see all these apps and stuff. So type in PKXD. As you can see, there it is. So press install. So before the mod downloads, you are going to have to do a verification. So don't cry, guys. This is pretty easy. So what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so let's just see. All right. So it's loading right now. So let's see what happens. All right. So as you can see, guys, it says missing files, additional files are required for PKXD. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps, which are the missing files, to install the PKXD mod. So for instance, we got Travel Town. This one says download and reach level 9. So you just press continue, takes you to the App Store, download it, play it until you're level 9. But you don't have to do this one. It might not show up for you. I don't know what is even going to show up for you. But yeah, you can see the video right here. So make sure you do 2 of these apps and then you will get PKXD free money. It's very cool, guys. One thing is you can go in settings and turn background refresh on and low power mode off. But other than that, you should be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe and peace out.